How to turn on notifications on Messenger. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn on notification on Messenger so that you can get notified every time someone sends you a message or get some notifications. Let's get started. First, open Messenger app. Now tap on this menu icon right here. Tap on it. Just tap on the settings icon right here. Tap on it. Tap on it. Just toggle this off, do not disturb, and just toggle this on for every notifications for new messages and activity. Toggle this on, and once you toggle this on, you will be notified every time someone sends you a message. Or you can also tap on this and toggle it on so that you will get the Facebook friend request messages as well. That's it. This is how easy it is to turn on notifications on Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.